I mean, it should be pretty simple, right? How hard can a front lip install be? How hard can a front lip install be? How hard can a front lip install be?
Maybe it won't happen again. I have to keep thinking. And now,
Nice.
What is going on, guys? How are y'all doing today? So we just got a pretty interesting package in the mail. Really was waiting for this guy to come for a while now.
Nigga, you gay.
Finally, I have it, and we're going to be installing it on the A90 Supra. It is a bit of a controversial package depending on how you look at it, but I thought it was kind of the best for its price range and what it essentially does. Well, like I mentioned before, I upload it every Wednesday or every other Wednesday, and so I kind of want to switch that over to maybe uploading on Sundays to make it a little bit more of a consistent schedule for you guys. I know a lot of you guys are probably busy throughout the week, and maybe on Sunday you have more time to relax and just chill out. And so hopefully Sundays is just better time for me to upload videos and for you guys to enjoy them. But other than that, today it's just been kind of muggy out. We do have a lot more space in the garage now, and it's been pretty rainy out because all these freaking leaves because it's now fall. But we're gonna be installing this package, and then I don't know, we'll see how it looks. I did some research, and I did a good amount of research on what looks the best in my opinion for the A90 Supra and why I got this. So we'll just see how it turns out. Yellow DRLs look so fire. I'm so geeking over it. Look at that. Damn, that looks sick. Tell me that does not look sick. It looks so good. Very nice.
Oh shit, let's get it. Oh damn. So this is the package that I received, and you guys are probably wondering, what the heck is this? Why is it so massively big? And how is it controversial? But before I jump into that, for those of you guys that are new to the channel, I'm Kenny Han. And on this channel, we work on everything GR Supra related in terms of building out the Supra to the spec I wanted it to be or want it to be. Not only do we work on cars, but we hang out with the boys, kind of just chill, have a good time. So if all of that sounds good to you, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. Just diving right into this. So what this is a Dinan carbon fiber front lip. And you guys are probably wondering, did he just say Dinan? Yes, this is a Dinan carbon fiber front lip. And so when I was looking for front lips for the Supra, I actually was looking at many other options. So there were Dinan, there was Amgen, there was Keys Motorsports. Essentially, there's so many companies that make front lips for the Supra. Again, not surprised. It's a, pretty popular car. But none of the front lips I was looking for actually had the design that I was going for, except one, Sabre. However, the price point for Sabre was kind of not really what I was, I guess, wanting to spend at the time. And since this is my first front lip for this car, I don't know what the condition of this front lip would be after a period of driving. So I went with the lower tier option, not lower tier, but more budget-friendly option of Dinan. So this Dinan front lip cost me around 500 bucks. And I know it's wrapped up still. I just got it in the mail, and so we're gonna unravel it for y'all and kind of install it together. But it cost me around 500 bucks, and I thought it was a perfect design, kind of what I was going for. Subtle, sleek. I don't think it's super functional because it's just a front lip. There's no, I guess, scoops where air can technically travel in and make it more aero, but it looks really good, and that's kind of what we're going for on the Supra. Spot on my hat. For those of you guys that didn't know, I used to actually live in Seattle before, but right now I'm in Tri-City, and so let's open this front lip up. Whew. First carbon fiber front lip on the A90 Supra. I think this is gonna look pretty sick. Oh man, it looks so good. Dude, it looks so good. I know it's so simple, but damn. Look at that. This lip looks so good. So this is the carbon fiber front lip from Dinan. It looks so freaking good. The weave on this too, that's so good. Look at that. If you guys can see, but the weave is pretty quality too. I'm just reflecting my whole garage. But wow, this is gonna look awesome on the Supra. It has the D right here for Dinan. That's pretty crazy. I wish though, like how Veris or Tom's does it, they have the, this is the front, they have the logo like right here sticking out where it has the plate logo for like Veris and Tom's. I wish they had that. You can buy a Dinan sticker. I think it was like 10 bucks or 5 bucks. I guess you could like put that on here, but I don't know. It's a $10 sticker. This looks so good. I'm gonna test fit it on the Supra to show you guys, but man, already it looks so good. Just struggling just a little bit trying to get that guy on, but just going under the car. That's how you know the Supra is so freaking low because of these marks. So sometimes when I'm driving to my friends' places, I scrape up on places and damn, that's paint. That's straight up paint. So that's not good. That's not good either. The Supra is just so low. Like that's another one right there. Oh, that's another one. I mean, it's on the plastic, so it's not that bad, but that sucks. Oh, that's not on the plastic. That's paint. Fuck. I gotta figure out something to protect the carbon fiber so it doesn't damage this area. I know they sell the carbon fiber guards. Well, not the guards, the splitter guards. So I might get that and put it under here as well. But I already started taking off these guys. So these were just little T20 screws. So I screwed these guys off, and I think these are just push pins. So I just have to pop this guy off with a interior remover tool. And then I think everything just bolts up, right? I hope everything just bolts up. This is the hardware. And then the 3M tape, isopropyl alcohol as well. And I feel like we should be good. That's how it works. I'm like 90% sure that's how it's supposed to go on. I need something for it to rest on. Shit. So using a super ghetto method, I know this is very uneven, but I kind of use 2 buckets and then a box with a shoe box on it to kind of line up what it would look like. Basically, this is what the splitter looks like. The blue, I just kind of taped so it's an indicator of where the middle is, and then going around this side. It does spill out a little bit over the side right here, but kind of like that design. There are holes here. I'm assuming they want me to drill into this plastic OEM splitter like thingy. Probably not gonna do that. I'm probably just gonna 3M tape it because I'm not about that life, but I think it should be okay.
2 hours later.
All right, so basically since these are self-tapping screws, I don't have to take these guys out, which is good because I could just put this back in and I have access to the OEM hardware, but that means I do have to put these guys back. I don't know how I feel about self-tapping screws, to be honest. Maybe it's the fact that I have to drill into the car, but still, I mean, that's how you secure the car. And so, I don't know if it's legit 3M tape, but it's 3M tape that's supplied to us, and it should work. Dude, what is going on? This is not my day. See if it just sticks to the car. How in the hell does this even work? This is really a 2-person job. Why is it not getting on? What's stopping it? All right, so I'm just gonna level with y'all. We're basically back to square one again. The lip is just here with no 3M tape. The one that they supplied, the one that Dinan supplied in the kit was just utter complete garbage. Didn't stick on at all. I always have some reservations using the 3M tape that the manufacturer gives unless it's legit 3M tape. I always saw that the ones that is not legit 3M tape kind of suck. Also, keep in mind that it is a little bit colder of where I am, so that might be another reason why it wasn't actually sticking. But I did Amazon Prime some 3M tape and it will be here in about like 10 minutes, so that's not too bad. I have everything taped up, so this should work. I even taped up this front part because F that hole. I don't think this is going anywhere. I left spaces open for the self-tapping screws and I think we're ready to go. So all that's left is actually just put putting this up. Look at this. Do you guys see the back of this?
What is that? What is that? Wait!
Anyways, this is supposed to help me mount it up. I was feeling low energy before because everything was going to shit, but now I'm feeling good about this. It looks so good. Carbon fiber, Dinan front lip. The sucky thing about this freaking front lip is that these screws, I even got a second opinion, my dad, and he was saying that these are actually really long and this is actually a risk. And so I did, again, Amazon Prime, a pack of screws, and so they're about to be here in like 7 or 10 minutes. But yeah, this lip looks so nice. It looks so good just from the 3M tape. I will say though, it is much easier having 2 people work on this because having it lined up, like even right now, this is like maybe a centimeter short on that side, and then on this side, it is actually perfect. So even right now, it's a little bit inaccurate, but it still looks so good. So there's a gap? Yeah, it's pretty flat. Oh, wait. Let me see. Yo, hope you guys liked that video. Hope you guys liked the B-roll. It is the next day and I didn't film a lot after I installed that lip. I was just super tired. But overall, I just love how this lip looks and how it just accents the Supra. That carbon fiber piece looks so good and it matches well with the carbon fiber spoiler I have. Aero is coming together nicely. Again, the Supra is slowly getting dialed in bit by bit, but if you guys are interested in getting a Dinan Supra front lip of yourself, my suggestions are do it with a buddy because it will make lining up a lot more easier. Do not use the 3M tape that they supply to you because it is not legit. You'll have a hard time lining it up. And then 3, get shorter self-tapping screws if you decide to self-tap it in because you run the risk of screwing through your OEM plastic splitter if you use the longer screws they supply to you. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys liked my install, and I struggled so hard with this Supra lip. I know I shouldn't have said that it is going to be an easy install. I didn't feel good when I said that. And so I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed yet, feel free to like and subscribe and let me know what you guys think of the Supra lip, of that Dinan Supra lip. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.